How to share your Excel document as a link to Google Drive. Hello guys, so first thing you have to do, go to Excel. Now this is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is choose the document you want, for example this one, and now go to the top right here and click on this option. Now after you click on it, click share as a link option right here. Click edit link and now choose Google Drive. Easy and fast. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.